These are our attempts at oiling whilst moving.
Give us some tips if you know what we're doing wrong. Gosh, I can't do them anymore. I think I put it in the wrong place. Missed it. Tell me when to start my ollie.
Stop.
Can't get my back on it. Don't know why. You can do them while standing still. Just. What the oh god, I hate this skateboard now. Alright. Let's try again. Finally! Let's try an ollie over this. Oh shit. Thank you. It's a crack. Oops.
Alright, leave a comment if you know anything on how to get better at oiling whilst moving.
Press the email from the nerd.
And please don't say, well, it's basically the same as standing still, because that really doesn't help.